Imagine this. You walk into your home after a long day, shoes off, ready to relax, and instead of being greeted by crumbs on the floor, pet hair rolling like tumbleweeds, or that sticky kitchen spot you swore you'd mop yesterday, your floors are spotless. No, I didn't hire a cleaning crew. I just pressed a button on my phone, and the Roborock Qrevo QV35A series robot vacuum and mop did the rest. And girl, let me tell you, this little genius has completely changed the way I think about cleaning. Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'll share exactly why this might be the smartest investment you will make this year. And by the way, you can check out the full article linked in the description and the first comment below. Trust me, you'll want to dive deeper after this. So let's talk about pain points first. Because honestly, that's why most of us even consider a robot vacuum. Maybe you've had one before. I tried a Roomba years ago, and it was loud. It got stuck every 5 minutes. And it needed so much babysitting I felt like I was raising a toddler on wheels. Not cute. The Qrevo QV35A? Total opposite. It's so quiet, I literally got up to check if it was running the first time. Spoiler, it was. And yes, it handled my hardwood floors, tile, and even a fluffy area rug without skipping a beat. No more soggy rug accidents. No more oops, the mop dragged across the carpet. This robot actually knows where it's going thanks to its LiDAR navigation system. Think of it like the Tesla of vacuums. It scans, maps, avoids obstacles, and works with precision. Now let's geek out a little because the tech here is seriously impressive. The suction power? A solid 8,000 PA. Translation: it eats crumbs, dust, and even pet hair like a champ. I've got pets that shed like it's their full-time job. And for the first time, I'm not chasing fur bunnies around the house. Then there's the dual spinning mop pads. These don't just drag a damp cloth, they actually scrub the floor. It's like having two little hands polishing your tiles while the vacuum handles the dirt. And if you're someone who hates maintenance, get this. The docking station is like a robot for your robot. It empties the dustbin, washes and dries the mop pads, and even refills the clean water tank. Translation: upkeep is almost zero. Now, from a lifestyle perspective, this is where the magic happens. I can schedule cleans right from the Roborock app, set no-go zones, and even direct it room by room. The app is super intuitive. You don't need a tech degree to use it. I've set it up so my kitchen gets mopped daily, my living room vacuumed every other day, and my bedroom handled while I'm out for coffee. It's that simple. And let's be real, convenience is queen. The fact that I don't even have to think about cleaning floors anymore, that mental load disappearing feels priceless. And here is Cess where I, sprinkle a little neuromarketing magic, because buying tech like this isn't just about features, it's about how it makes you feel. We don't buy a robot vacuum because it has 8,000 PA suction. We buy it because we want the freedom to spend Sunday mornings enjoying brunch instead of vacuuming. We don't buy self-cleaning mop pads because it's efficient. We buy them because we're tired of nasty, smelly cloths sitting in the laundry. This product sells convenience, peace of mind, and the joy of walking barefoot on clean floors every single day. That's the transformation. Oh, and let me throw in a little humor here because, honestly, sometimes I feel like this Roborock is more reliable than my ex. It shows up when it says it will, it doesn't complain, it cleans up after itself, and it makes my life easier. I mean, can we get that in human form? But jokes aside, there's also serious value in the long term. The Qrevo QV35A saves me time, keeps my home healthier by reducing dust and allergens, and honestly, it's so efficient and quiet that I forget it's even running. I ended up buying a second one for my mom, and now she's obsessed too. She calls it her little housekeeper on wheels. If that's not a glowing review, I don't know what is. So, who is this for? If you've got pets, busy schedules, kids dropping crumbs everywhere, or you just hate cleaning floors, this is a game changer. And if you've been burned by loud, clumsy robot vacuums in the past, this one will restore your faith. I can confidently say the Roborock Qrevo QV35A series robot vacuum and mop is the best home tech purchase I've made this year. It's sleek, smart, efficient, and it delivers spotless results without the drama. Now here is the bottom line. Life is too short to spend vacuuming and mopping when a robot can do it better, quieter, and smarter. If you're ready to level up your home and your peace of mind, check out the full article in the description and the first comment. I've packed it with even more details, FAQs, and tips. And hey, if you do end up getting this little cleaning powerhouse, don't be surprised if you find yourself showing it off to your friends like I did. Because honestly, nothing says, "I've got my life together," quite like sparkling floors, and not a single pet hair in sight.